Hey guys, I'm Sherry Criswell, independent designer for Chalk Couture. Today I'm working on this really cute design that's not my original one. It's from another designer, and I'm going to try and find her name and post it in the comments later. It's so cute. With our transfer, Santa, I can explain, and then the arm of the Grinch trying to steal Christmas. So I did the chalking in candy apple, and I think that's spring zing. I'm not quite sure. I'll look that up too. So far, so good, right? Well, with this arm, that's the paper pattern that I'm going to cut out. Instead of doing it on the scroll saw, I decided to do it on the core foam board and just use the craft knife to cut around it. I figured not everybody has a scroll saw, but you can pretty easily get this foam board and cut it out yourself with a craft knife. So after I cut it out, I painted it, and I added a little fur trim to the arm, and then just used double-sided tape to put on the board. And the reason I did this is because I want to be able to remove this, because this is a board that you can wash things off and redo it over and over. It's one of our Chalk Couture chalkboards. Then I added a little ornament, and I was done. There it is. It's cute, right? The Grinch tried to do it again. Thanks for watching. Bye.